and one of each set is international. Born and raised, lives internationally, just showed up here on our borders, and the other one is fully American. And you're going to have this little competition to decide which one is which.
So basically, who can be the more racist accurately?
No. Oh my God. See, this is it. That's the whole purpose of this class, is to decide which of the... Well, we know who's more racist. It's the white guy. And there's nothing wrong with asking these questions, and there's nothing wrong with having these conversations.
They're both gorgeous human beings. I don't know how to stereotype them.
No, you're not stereotyping.
Yeah, I mean, like...
No, you're not stereotyping.
Essentially.
You're sociologizing. Look. So here's what the two of you have to do. So you've got these two lovely human beings right here, and these two lovely human beings right here. And one of each set is international. Born and raised, lives internationally, just showed up here on our borders, and the other one is fully American. And you're going to have this little competition to decide which one is which.
So basically, who can be the more racist accurately?
No. Oh my God. See, this is it. That's the whole purpose of this class, is to decide which of the... Well, we know who's more racist. It's the white guy. Dude, because you're white and you're from Du Bois.
On top.
And like, if you know anything about Du Bois, like, your grandparents are in the Klan and the whole thing. Okay, you got that. So watch out for this guy here.
Sure.
Okay, no. See, here's what we're going to learn.
Okay.
Part of what this class we're doing up here, what we do up here, is to point out, talk about things that we all talk about and we have conversations about. So, I look at people all the time. I'd look at them and say, wait, hang on. Like, are you from East Asia? It's going to be China or Korea. Or what, well, I don't want to go too far. But are you American, or are you born abroad? Like, these are the questions. Like, we have these kind of questions all the time, and it's really interesting, right? And there's nothing wrong with asking these questions, and there's nothing wrong with having these conversations. But what we learn is that if we pick out differences, if we pick out anything that really stands out about folks and we talk about it, it might signal in some way that we're racist or we're insensitive or something is going on with us and that we're not supposed to talk about it. But in this class, we are supposed to talk about it because that's what we do. And we have these kinds of conversations because they're really interesting. No, what I want to see is which one of you, or maybe both of you, can pick out who is the American and who is the internet, the foreigner. So you can look.
Yeah.
No, you gotta look at them. You gotta look at the whole thing. You can really look.
Yeah, so...
You can even... Yeah, well, the faces won't help.
Like, in general, I think, like, the foreign people come over from, like, other countries, they're usually, like, dressed really well,
Dude, well, you're laughing at that. And is that...
Yeah, I mean, he's just... Look at me.
No, dude, you look... Actually, hang on a second. This guy... How's he look? He's, like, cool, right? That's pretty cool. Well, the shoes, though, dude. But, all right. Okay, go ahead. What else are you looking at? They're dressed better.
I mean, yeah, they're all dressed pretty good, though, so didn't really give me much.
That's why they threw it off here.
Yeah.
We didn't give you that one.
I think the biggest giveaway might be, like, the accent, if they talked.
Yeah, they're not going to talk.
I figured, okay.
So they dress. But, okay, so go ahead. What about their dress? What are you going to look for?
I mean... like the crew necks, that's like, it gives style, like the style there.
What about this dude? Is he styling?
I mean, listen, he's got similar shoes to me, so apparently no, but.
Wait, how about her?
She's dressed very well. The sweater, I like that.
But it's not just a sweater, dude.
It's not just a sweater?
Well, I don't know, it is, but All right. How about the dude in green? What do you
Dude in
see
green.
with?
Yeah, this was the first one I noticed right away. Well dressed. He got the nice shoes, clean shoes, like the chain. Just like clearly cares how he looks. Looks good, you know.
Yeah. See that? I hooked you up there, bro. All right. Okay. Okay. How about you, bro? What are you looking at?
So-
Mr. Cosmopolitan here.
Sure.
Yeah.
Just as a clarification, has anybody got cancelled off of this?
No. Yeah, me. I have. No, seriously. I'm really glad that you're raising this. There's honestly, trust me, there's nothing wrong with having, just picking out which one you think is American and which one you think is
So am I supposed to like voice out my thought process? Straight out of the two things that, I mean, I'm Indian, so naturally I gravitate towards the right-hand side of the table. So the first thing that caught me out was his earrings and his shoes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
What about the earrings? You just have one, bro? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What's that tell you? Oh, he's American.
But his shoes say he's from India.
What about that New York hat, though?
Yeah, I mean, I wear a BMW hoodie.
Yeah, all right, okay, all right. Okay, all right, so what else? What about the hair?
Huh?
What about the hair?
I mean,
No, their hairstyles.
the thing I'm thinking about is the things I'm allowed to do back home, and
Yeah.
certain things I'd get whipped if I do it back home.
Okay.
So,
By your mom or your dad?
whoever's at home.
All right, okay, I got you. Dude, you
So-
got to go home with an earring, man. I have an extra
pretty
one
much.
for you.
So
okay.
that's the only reason I'm thinking that. And generally, like when we come from India, at least, I mean, I'm biased.
Yeah.
I generally don't explore too much with shoes, also because I run. So Nikes is like pretty standard.
Yeah, your shoes, they're pretty, pretty
Yeah, I know.
Oh, how about these two here?
I'm clueless.
Clueless? Well,
Clueless.
what do you see, though? Take
Clueless.
a look.
I don't know.
Well, come up with something. You got to come up with something.
I don't know.
Dude, you're Mr. Cosmopolitan, man. Like, you got to come up with something.
Yeah, but
Look at her.
yeah.
What do you to see her style here? What do you think?
They're both gorgeous human beings. I don't know how to stereotype them.
No, you're not stereotyping.
Yeah, I mean, like.
No, you're
well,
not stereotyping.
Essentially.
You're sociologizing. Look, there's sociologizing is when you take all the information that you have, okay, as much information you have about cultures around the world, okay, the things that you have observed, like you just say it, things that you said, right? The earring, this is stuff. This is
Yeah.
important information that many people wouldn't know that. This guy, would you know that in India, like guys aren't, you've got 2 earrings, right? Would you know that in India, you're probably not going to be wearing an earring. So he didn't know that, but you knew that.
I mean, I could be wrong.
No, well, you're
Very
not
well.
entirely wrong. You're less likely to, right? At least with your family.
Probably.
Okay. But you're sociologizing, so
Yeah. I mean, the only real reference I have are shoes.
Yeah.
And, like, because, I mean, no offense intended, but, like, your drip is pretty similar. Like, at least to me. So, the only thing I can go off is your shoe and your, like, visage, if that's a word at all. So, if I had to guess, I would think that you're, I don't know.
that you're what? No, say it.
Yeah, but then I don't.
No, that he's American?
I initially thought he was American, but then now I'm thinking he might not be American. So I'm really not sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go with the fact that. Wait, what did you say?
Who do you think? Which one of these 2 is American?
So I mean, like just like watching them interact a little bit and like a little off like what they were wearing and just their gestures, like I won't ask her name because that might give it away, but like he's like giving daps and stuff, that's like pretty American, and she's like very polite. Like I think he complimented her, and she kind of and it's I think people from Asian countries are very polite. I think that's typically, and he's dapping. He's I think so. I would guess he's the American just from that. Yeah.
Dude, and these 2?
Oh man, I got no idea. I'll go with his guess, which was he's American. Yeah, I trust him. Yeah.
All right, man. Go ahead. Why don't you say don't say who's right, but just tell him who you are. I tell him where you're. No, tell him your name and your major.
Hey guys, my name is Parth Patra. Okay. Okay, my major might throw you off. I am a mechanical engineering major, and I'm from India, Delhi.
And are you gonna get beat up by your parents? Get smacked around for having an earring?
No, actually, my mother insisted this because there's kind of like a nerve in your left ear, which actually increases your brain capacity. So
God, dude, look at this.
that might throw you off, guys.
I've got 5 earrings in my left ear. All right,
It's a body.
Dude, you need to get. What's your major, bro?
I'm material science and engineering.
Material science and engineering. You need an earring, my friend. All right. Okay, go ahead. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, tell them where you're from.
Hey guys, I'm Srijan Sharma. I'm from Allentown, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
My major statistics.
That's good enough. You got that. So you were both wrong there. All right, go ahead, Mom. Let him hear you. Let him hear you speak.
My name's Lucas. I'm from South Philly. Yeah.
South Philly, like South Philly, my friend. All right,
Yes, that's
that's kind of. It's a little bit like it's kind of near Chennai, like, but you know. All
I think
right.
it's closer to Jersey. But
Yeah. All right. You caught the dab thing. All right, go ahead.
My name is Victoria. I'm from South Korea.
And did you go to international school?
Yeah, I went to an international school.
Yeah, because you have like very Americanized accent, actually. Yeah. Okay. Dude, so listen. What did you learn about? You learn to be a little. What did you say that she was? What did you say about her? More polite, bro. You need to be more polite. Dude, let your Asian side emerge. Let your East Asian side emerge and be more polite.
I think I'm really Asian for like an American person. But like, I don't know. You can only. If I don't have an accent, it's kind of. You know, like if I was up here and I sounded like Jackie Chan in Rush Hour, everyone would think I was Chinese. So
Do you know any Chinese at all?
I know
You don't
zero
even know
Chinese.
swear words?
No,
Seriously?
yeah,
You gotta at least know one.
no.
Oh, all right. Okay.
I
maybe
just
not.
know when my parents start speaking another language, I should be scared.
Oh, is that it? All right. Awesome. Hey, well, listen. You were awesome, all right? So listen, every case study that we do is a little bit different, but the biggest thing that we're doing is along the way having conversations that we typically wouldn't have and demonstrating something.